I don't have my mic on. Good morning, good morning. We are almost at target here on oil. This is the second trade for the day. Let me grab a banana from the kitchen because I am hungry. All right. Ooh. All right, we're getting close. I was trying to post this a minute ago, but all right, let's see if we can go down and hit. The target is $300. We already hit once over here for $300, so we're already 1 for 1 for $300. This, if it hits, would be 2 for 2 for $600. Let's see if we get to that 72.85. We're only 2 ticks away. One tick. Do you see that 86? It got to 86 and it's bouncing up. Come on. 85. 86, 85. 86.
Target filled.
Yay! All right, we're 2 for 2 for $600 on oil. Very nice. All right, so oil's done for the day. It can't trade anymore. So nice, David. Super proud of you. Very nice, very nice. All right, please give a thumbs up as you come in. Good morning, good morning. I might grab. Yay, oil's 2 for 2. Oil was 2 for 2 yesterday as well, and then 1 for 1 on Tuesday, but I don't trade on Tuesday. All right, let me get a banana or something. I'm kind of hungry. I'll be right back. All right, I have an unpopular opinion. I gotta get on TikTok soon. My unpopular opinion is I like green bananas. Like greenish yellow. I don't like yellow bananas, and I definitely don't like yellow brown bananas. They have a totally different taste. Also, I think my admin had to run out, so I'm gonna post this on Twitter. Not that. Let me post this live stream. I feel like most people do not like greenish yellow bananas. But I do. Alright, I posted that to Twitter because I think she is still out. Alright. Good morning, good morning. All right, so far, the only trades that have happened has been oil. Like you can see on the screen here, it's taken 2 trades, 1 long, 1 short. And we're 2 for 2. I'm going to eat this banana, and I have my tea here too. I haven't even sipped it yet. I was on a phone call before I got on this stream. I need to get on TikTok. Oh, also, the chop zone is super small today. I think most of you on the stream right now are in the group anyway, so you know. We already left the chop zone at... Oh, you could have grabbed this because we posted at 7 a.m. now, so I hope this is helpful for some of you. I hope it is. That's the reason why we did it. I'm always trying to improve as a business owner, and I'm always willing to take suggestions. I actually had a really good suggestion from one of my students the other night about what we should do on our next student call, which is going to be on Monday, January 23rd. Make sure you mark your calendars if you're a student. So anyway, this was 7:40. So you would have had the zone when we were up here. We came back to the zone. I'm not sure if it bounced or not because this is a 20-minute candle. Then clearly we broke through. Oh, this was probably the 8:30 report, the jobless claims. That's on Thursday. Every Thursday, the jobless claims at 8:30. So it came down here, 10,982, and it dropped to this level that I have at 10,951. So that's 30 points right there. That's $600 per mini, and then it continued to drop. So if anyone got that, good job. Congrats. As I shove this banana. That sounds bad. I also have to post this in the group. I'll do that after the live stream. All right. This is a rather big banana too. Flag. Who is this? Oh my god. This is gonna make me crazy. All right, let me get on TikTok. So I got this backing. I don't know if you guys have that like mega safe, like the magnet on the back of the phone. And so then I wanted like one of those pop sockets, but I have this magnet holder in the car for when I'm driving, like my phone sits on it. So I was like, well, I can't get a pop socket because those stick to your phone and then I won't be able to put it on the magnetic thing. But this is a magnetic pop socket where it magnetizes to the back of your phone, so you can take it on and off as much as you want and it'll be fine. Which is super cool. Hi, Tom. Good morning. Thanks for all the thumbs up. Feel free to give one as you come in. It's 9:22. Should I set up fast or slow today? I should probably set up both, but I don't really feel like it. All right, maybe I'll set up both. I do have a few minutes. If you guys have questions, let me know. But I think most of you in here are in the group already, so you don't really typically have questions. And if you do, you can ask me in the group. All right, I'm going to set up fast first, and then I'll set up slow. Hi, Eduardo. How are you? Good morning. Fast. What is this? Range. I have Santa, and then I have pink. And now I just put fast on. It's 9:23, and I'm gonna set up slow. Sorry, it looks kind of boring here. We're continuing to move down. Oh, hold on, I can't move that yet. I'm just gonna squish this. What do I have below this? I don't have anything till this 10.827. I also don't have my other levels there, so yes, Jose. Oil is 2 for 2. Green $600 on the day already, which is awesome. I love oil. Oil's been really doing a great job. Okay, what do I need here? Slow NQ. I'm trying to think if I changed it to 200 the other day. Oops. I'm gonna need to change this. 3. Okay. NinjaTrader, put it on the right one. Hidden. I might change this to 2. Alright. Turn slow on. Rename it.
Order submitted.
I'm so big on naming the tabs. I don't know. It's like one of my favorite things because it's so much easier to grab. All right, fast is in a long green, $50, $5. No, that's right. All right. Good morning. All right, I'm going to get on TikTok question. If you have, say, a 5K account, I think I heard you say you trade cost account doesn't allow you to do 5 1K trades. No, you can never do that, James. No. So you cannot take a mini. So a mini is the one that costs $1,000. You cannot take a mini unless you have at least a $7,000 to $10,000 account at minimum. So with an account less than $7,000, you would be trading micros, which is a tenth of the size, a tenth of the profit, a tenth of the loss, a tenth of the cost. So that's how that works. So a micro NQ, which is also known as MNQ, is $100 per contract. So instead of $1,000, it would be $100. I hope that makes sense. You can also always find the margin requirements on NinjaTrader's website. Nice job, Gunner. Very nice. Oil was 2 for 2 yesterday. It's 2 for 2 today. It's just paying all the bills. So it's great. It was 1 for 1 on Tuesday, but we didn't have that on Tuesday. So, and that's okay. All right. So guaranteed green on this fast long. I need to get on TikTok. Let me do that, please, before I forget. Well, I guess I wouldn't actually forget, but before I delay it anymore. So I have fast and slow on. So we'll be able to see both of those. This actually looks really pretty on this right now. Okay, cool. That does make sense. Thanks. Yep, sure thing. So yeah, if your account is less than $7,000, you would be trading micros, which is just a tenth of the size. Everything is a tenth compared to the mini. And then if you have an account that's over $7,000, you can trade minis, but obviously you still need to be careful because we have some strategies that have a pretty large stop loss. So, like you can't afford a $2,000 stop loss with a $7,000 account. So even with a $7,000 account, you need to be a little careful. Yep, Kyle, it's pretty common. Oil, when I went back, I looked at it last night, oil has been green every single week since October 30th, except for 1 week, and I think that was like the week of December 7th, and it was only red $300, and this was on one mini for the whole week. So on one micro, that would have been $30, or on two micros, it would have been $60. For the week, it was red. So not a big deal at all. Hey, King. I'm still finishing this banana, if you can imagine. It was a rather large banana. I feel like talking about bananas is so weird. But, oh, well, you guys probably don't want to hear this story, but I actually stopped eating bananas for like years because in middle school I took a banana, like I had a banana in my lunch and I was eating it and I felt sick like earlier in the day and then I physically got sick and I always blamed it on the banana, even though it had nothing to do with the banana. But I think just the idea of it made me sick, if that makes sense. Like, that was kind of like the last taste in my mouth before I got sick. And then I was in the cafeteria with all my friends. I was super embarrassed. But, whatever. So, now I'm back to eating bananas. But I'm going to finish this one. Like, I'm going to be done with this because I'm just over it now. All right, the market's going to open in 2 minutes. If you're new here, welcome. I trade futures live every single day from 9:15 to 10:30, showing you my auto trading algorithm. This is the fast. It's in a long trade. You can see that here. It says 1 green. That means long. It's green, $350 in profit. No, it's not time to take profit, Jug. It will take profit on its own. This is a trail stop. It knows what it's doing. Again, this is fully automated, so I do not touch it. I just sit here and I chat with you guys and I answer questions and we have fun and we talk about gross bananas. So, got my oatmeal. Got to go from pudgy to dad bod before the summer. Okay, Kyle, sounds good. See, this is why we don't take profit, because it came to the trail and it bounced. Now we're at 400 instead of 300. We are also 2 for 2 on oil for the day. So this is the NASDAQ, which is the, this is NQ, which is the NASDAQ on the futures market. If you want more information, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. We're green, $400 on this long that started at 9:25. So it's been 4 minutes, and it's only one contract. Green, $455.
Order canceled.
If I'm a new member, do I only have access to certain algos to start off? Yeah, so that's a good question. You only have access to bold range, which is the most conservative.
Order canceled.
But with bold, let me turn this volume down, sorry. With bold range, there are several there are several choices. So let me show you. So bold range is the one with the blue box. So it looks like this. Yesterday we were 5 for 5. Today so far we're 2 for 2. This is oil. So we have strategies. Oil right here took a long and it hit profit for $300, and then it took a short and it hit profit for $300 here. So oil is oil's done for the day. It has a max, and that's how it makes it conservative. It has a max trades that it can take for the day, if that makes sense. But yeah, so when you join, you only get access to range, but you get access to oil, S&P 500, and NQ on the range. So while you only get access to one algo, you still get access to 3 really solid setups. So, and that's just for 1 week. Then after a week, you can take a quiz and get the scalpers. Because the scalper algo is much more, it's just more complicated, and I need people to know what they're doing before they get access to it. Because if you don't, then you can mess stuff up and then miss trades and all that. Yes, it's $500 for the first 3 weeks, and then it's $1,000 every month after that, Jack. I don't know what I told you was. It took profit as it should, right here. At 920. Or 917. All right, so we're not in any trades right now. I have fast and slow and Santa and pink up, and then obviously all the ranges. This is our chop zone. This is another thing that you get in my group. When you join, you are given this every day by 7 a.m. now. We have moved it up to 7 a.m., which is great, especially for today because it left the zone at like 8 o'clock during the jobless claims report. Nice job. Everyone's already posting in the results because they've already made a bunch of money. Oh, perfect. I'm going to send this. What are we watching? Oh, yeah, sure. So there's actually nothing happening right now, but this is this is just a chart of the NASDAQ futures. Sorry, I was responding to someone. We are just in this downtrend like crazy. If you guys can see this. Typically, when my algorithm takes trades, I will show you, like here, oil, when we first went live this morning on YouTube, oil was in this short, and then it hit target. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Sorry, YouTube, I'm kind of dropping the ball. Poor banana always getting blamed for world disasters. Hi, David M. Yep, I already mentioned it. I'm running fast and slow and Santa and pink. I got a lot running today. I always feel bad because I pick either slow or fast, and then I don't have the data for the other one. You can see oil's running up with this NQ dropping. Oh my gosh, nasty. Look at that. The next level I have is not until 10-8-2-8. Yep, so that's a good question. My account is $10,000, but most of my members have smaller accounts, anywhere from $2,000 to $50,000. You don't have to wait. $8,000 is a lot of money to be using the algorithms. And you're going to be starting, like I always suggest to do sim for 1 or 2 or 3 days. And then on top of that, I suggest that you would do micros for like a week. So you could easily do that with the account that you have now. And then once you get some more lined up, once you can always add later. Like you can always do an ACH at any time. And there's no fee for that. Danny's done. He made $1,360. Nice job, Danny. Yeah, well, all you had to do is take it from the chop zone at 10.981. It's not that massive. It's only like 100 points. 130 points. 140 points. I wouldn't call that massive, David. But, yes, it's a nice drop. If you were able to grab it, congrats. All right, perfect. This is done. This is done. That's a lot of money. Yeah, what are you using to trade? Yeah, this is NinjaTrader. Oh, but I'm also using my auto trading algorithm. We were just in a long on the fast and the slow, but then they took profit. This is NinjaTrader, and then the algorithms I'm using are mine. If you want more information about them, you can email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. One of these is a green $255. I think it's the slow. Nope, not the slow. Then the fast. The fast is green $255. What's the minimum account? Yeah, so to use the Algo, you need at least an account with $2,000 to $3,000. You can also use a funded program like Apex, Lilu, UProfit, OneProfit, any of those. If you want more info, I can send you an informational email. Just shoot me your information at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I will never follow you on TikTok or Instagram. I will never DM you. So if you're getting someone that's trying to follow you or message you that looks like me, I promise you it's imposter. So please block them and report them. You can only use the algorithm on NinjaTrader. My old second round hitting different burgers. Jose. Can you use NinjaTrader in New York? Yes, you can use NinjaTrader all around the world. The only time you can't use NinjaTrader as a broker is if you're in Canada. I'm not sure what's going on, like what they have with Canada, but yeah. Okay, Harley. Sounds good. We will be here. We will be here. But yeah, NinjaTrader as a broker can be used anywhere in the world except for Canada. But you can still use the NinjaTrader platform in Canada. You just can't use them as your broker, if that makes sense. Yep, so I'm using, my broker is NinjaTrader as well. So I'm trading on the NinjaTrader platform and I'm using the NinjaTrader broker. All right, so fast is still green, $140, but it's kind of getting chopped up down here. Slow is having a hard time. Sounds good. So far today on live, oil is 2 for 2. Right here, it took a long, what time was this? 4 a.m. And then it took a short at 9 a.m. and it hit target on both. If we had more than 2 entries, it would have taken another short here. But we don't, so that's how that works. What is Amber talking about? All right, so let me show you guys this really quickly. So this is the group. If you join the algorithm or if you take the mentorship, you get added to this group, which is the alert, or this is the Slack group. So Justin already made $1,000. Danny made $1,300. Mo made $145. So you can see the different sizes and wins are going to be reflected on their account size. So if someone has a $2,000 account, they're not going to be making $2,000. They're going to be making like $75 or $100. And that's still great because $100 a day is $2,000 a month. I'm going to go through these really quickly. Tom made $752 overnight. Karan made $157 overnight. Monty made $1,100. Justin woke up to $60 from overnight. David made $425 and Kyle made $195. So great start to the day. Again, it's still super early, so I think we're in we were. Yep, fast and slow are getting eaten up here. Because this drop, it's funny, I actually have an idea about this. And I told Justin, where is my Justin? Is he in the chat? I told Justin not too long ago that and maybe I'll tell the group, but I probably won't talk about it here on the live stream. But I did just remember something about that, and then I was like, oh, wait, I should update that. Oh, Carlos made $36 overnight. Nice job, Carlos. Can you use this algorithm at Thinkorswim? No, you cannot, which is why I said that, Mustafa. It has to be in NinjaTrader. Also, you don't want to use it in TD Ameritrade because they charge you $7 per trade. It's ridiculous. This is the level I have. After that, nothing till 10.796. So it might drop there. You don't want to use TD Ameritrade. They don't have any benefits for futures traders. They charge you $1 million in fees and commissions, and they require you to have so much in margin. It's crazy. Like for one trade, one contract of the NQ, I only pay $1,000. If you were on TD Ameritrade, you're paying like $15,000 for that same exact trade. It's crazy. And then in fees, I only pay $5 round trip. At TD Ameritrade, you're paying closer to like $8 round trip. And that adds up over time. Justin just posted in Slack. Yeah, I just didn't know if he was on the... If he was on that. Nice job, Nick. Nick made $110 on oil overnight. What else is happening? Nothing really. Thanks, Carter. Yes, I think I answered this. Killer laugh, but it would be, the minimum would be $2,000 to have in your trading account. Amber's posting. Everyone is posting. What an exciting Thursday. Nice. Thank you, Justin. Yeah, that's crazy. For one contract of the NQ on TD Ameritrade is $18,000 right now. But over here on NinjaTrader or on Tradeovate or on any futures broker, you're going to pay $1,000. So would you rather have to put up $1,000 or would you rather have to put up $19,000 for the same exact trade? Like, you can decide that. If you appreciate the stream and the content, please tap the screen on TikTok or give a thumbs up in YouTube. It's really helpful because then I'm circulated on the algorithm for traders, and then people might want to trade. What? There is no way. $1,000 for 99. Give me a second to think about it. Yeah, exactly. Thanks for the likes, guys. We're in a long on fast. Oh, it just took itself out. Oh, what was that? Was that Santa? See, now I have too many things running. Santa just tried to take a long too, but it got stopped for $140. Nice job, Eduardo's green, $600. Like, these are people paying for the trial in one product in one session. $600 while you were sleeping. This is the NQ, the NASDAQ on the futures market. Amber, what? Who? Which one? Amber, which one? No, it's not the US 30. Which one, Amber? Which is a bro? Are you from Boston? Who says A if they're not from Boston? Slow is dying. Slow is slowly dying. So, yeah. Once we join for the bot, what broker do we trade with? Yeah, so you don't join the bot until you have everything set up, because there's no point in paying me if you can't use the service. That's why you have to email me, Oliver, boldbotllc@gmail.com. You still didn't answer. You're from Boston? It doesn't matter. If you're trading micros, you can have as small as a $2,000 account. This is her breakdown. This is the breakdown for the month of December, and there were 10 days that she did not trade, and she profited. It's hard for me to make this bigger without making it too big. She made $900 in profit on the month of December, and that is without trading 10 trading days that she could have traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, yeah. You can easily do this. Like somebody like Mo, he's in the chat. He conservatively makes $100 to $200 every single day. With a very, you could do that with a $2,000 account. You make $2,000 on the month. You pay your fees and commissions, whatever. Yes, you did. She did make mistakes at the beginning. She would be much, much more green if she didn't get in her own way. And that's why people should just listen. All right, slow. I was going to update the results here in the results tab. Santa is now red 335. I guess I tried to take that again. Fast is red 600. But that's why those are still being tested. Percentage profit. It depends on the strategy. Oil would have easily hit target again on this third trade. But that's okay. We're not greedy. We're 2 for 2 for $600. That's enough. It's 9:48. I was thinking about getting, fast isn't it was. The market's kind of crazy today. They keep trying to go long, but the market's not ready for it yet. So the bot is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. If you want more information, you can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Yes, David, hands off, 100%, don't touch. Terrence just said $900 on a $2,000 account is 45% profit in 1 month. Insane. Yeah, exactly. Even some days, you can make 10% in a day. If you have a $2,000 account, you make $200. That's 10% in 1 day. People just, with long-term accounts, they hope to make 10% in a year. And we can do it in a day. So it doesn't matter what size your account is. Obviously, minimum, I always suggest $2,000 or $3,000. But after that, it doesn't really matter. I'm ready to go long. They play too much. See, King, you're just like the Algos. They're ready too. They've tried it like 3 or 4 times now. Yeah, like that banana. There is such thing as... Alright, let me stop. Because the way I talk, people are going to get confused. What are you watching right now? What do you mean watching? I'm looking at the chat in the group, and I'm looking at the chat in TikTok, and I'm watching This Is Fast. The dawn of the private sector bots hitting the public market. Pretty exciting. Not really. It's pretty straightforward. Well, I stopped, but I stopped. I'm thinking about, Amber, remember we were talking about massages? I think I might go get a massage today, but it's always hit or miss. I remember one time I went to this place, like I used to have this guy that I went to, and he was so good, so good, so good. But he doesn't work there anymore. I think he like moved out of state or something. But so then I go to this other spa, and they put me with I was like, oh, like whoever, I don't have a preference. So they put me with this guy, and the entire hour he was talking. Like, it's like, oh yeah, so this, and I'm just like, and I'm not mean enough to be like, please stop talking. I want to just relax. But yeah, so if I go today, I really hope I don't get somebody that just talks to me for an hour. I just want to relax. But the spa that I go to, they have like a sauna too, which is so nice. And a steam room. I never use a steam room. I always feel like I'm going to like suffocate. But I do like a good sauna. Yeah, so I like to talk, so I'm down. Ask for a non-talker. Can I please have someone that won't talk my head off? Listen, we're trying to catch this long. Is it going to happen? Here we go. Ooh, we're $400 on Santa. Wait. Santa is $400 in the green. What am I doing? Look at this. We're not even watching it. Sorry, guys. There's Santa. $4.50 in the green. Hola. Where I go, they don't speak English, so no talking. Yeah, I agree, Amber. That's another reason why I was like, oh, I need to go. Good morning, Kevin. So how do you configure a bot? Oh, well, that's not in this lesson. Check back another day. When we sign up for the 3-week trial, do we have a training session before the trial starts? No, you don't have a training session. As soon as you start, it literally takes, like, somebody yesterday was like, I don't know, it was, like, so confusing. He was like, so what about learning before I, like, set up the algorithm? I'm like, learning what? All you do, when you join the Algo, I send you a welcome message. My admin sends you a welcome message. It has step-by-step videos on how to get everything set up. And then I have 2 admins at your disposal to help you if you can't, for some reason, figure the stuff out with my step-by-step video, which is very clear. If you are computer savvy, you can be set up within 15 to 30 minutes. If you are not computer savvy, it typically takes more like an hour. Okay, Jose. That sounds like good advice. Oh, no, Kyle. So we don't talk about stuff like that. So many Kyles now. And also the best. Both are great. Kyle K. I don't discuss the charts that I'm using. I don't discuss the settings that I'm using. That's all proprietary to the members in the group. When you join, you get access to the settings spreadsheet that gives you all of the details. But on a free live stream, I don't discuss those details. Bow, 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 bow. No, not you, Kyle. No, Kyle Robertson, that was great. I was talking about Kyle K. I don't speak Spanish, sorry. And Karen's. This is neither forex nor stock. This is futures. I'm in the U.S. Canada scares me. No, I'm just kidding. No, but if you're, no, seriously, no, I'm in the U.S. I'm on the East Coast. Does your bot trade with funded accounts? Yes, it does. And even if you read on a funded account website that it won't trade, whoa, we're finally getting this long. Green, $700. Nice. On Santa. Who's on Santa today? I know a bunch of you because I posted it. Who is on Santa? All right. Point being, is Santa running? No, it's not, Amy. And again, even if it was, I wouldn't divulge that information, but no. So when we sign up and that is completely hands off, yes, Rico, it's completely hands off except for pushing one button every night. All you have to do is push one button. That is required of you. It looks like this. Your strategy is sitting here. 1 second. Your strategy is sitting here, and then you go turn on every night, and that's all you do. And then you go to bed, and it does everything for you. And then you wake up to $600 from oil. If you want more information, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's so funny how things have kind of rotated because I used to have so many people on the TikTok live stream and hardly any on the YouTube. And now there's a whole bunch on YouTube and less on TikTok. That's weird. But, all right, so Santa is still red on the day, but only by $100, which is not bad. All right. I should probably move the fast and the slow next to each other. This is the NQ. Do you trade 246 days a year? I don't know what 240... Yeah, I guess. I don't trade national holidays. So, like Labor Day, we don't trade. We're in... Fast isn't a long. Where are we on the bigger scale? All right, so we went down to this area, 10,814, and now we're bouncing. Oh, yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's why you got to join earlier. Yeah, no, and the NQ, Kyle. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, follow. I go live every single day showing the algorithms. There's nothing in a trade right now. Oil is 2 for 2 overnight if you just joined. $600 in the pocket. Had a long at 4 a.m. and then a short at 8 a.m. I was asleep for all of this. And then I came to my computer and I was green $600. How much ticks? Yeah, so I don't go over that information either. I do not go into the specifics of the algorithms on a free live stream. That is all given to you in the group if/after you join. Funds. I've been running an algorithm for 3 years now, and, well, all right, sometimes it's hard for me to remember all of the years. Well, maybe more like 2.5. What? No. Yes. No. Only 2.5 years. I can't. With the 2020 to 2023, I'm just saying 3 years, even though it was like late 2020. So that's wrong. But the point being, it's taken a long time to find the settings and the charts that work well for my strategies. So I'm not going to just put them out there. What was the question about $600? Yes, $600. We made $600 on oil overnight, correct? Okay, Amy, am I going to have to silence you? Like, what? Girl, I do not answer these questions on the free live stream. Girl, she literally went, what time do the strategies start? What time do the strategies stop? What chart are you on? Are these range bars? Like, girl, I feel like you're not getting the gist. I do not answer these specific questions about my algorithm settings, the algorithm chart on my live stream. They are never going to be discussed on the live stream. If you want the information, you can come use the 50% off paid trial and see for yourself. Fast isn't a long. Yep, so the investment was one contract, which on oil is $2,000. So this is a guaranteed green trade. John said, just join and learn. I'm joining. You convinced me to start trading. Sounds good. We're green, $400. This is on Fast. Fast is the only one in a trade right now. I wonder if we're going to get a pink trade today. We might. Maybe closer to like London close. We'll have to see. They are cashed every day. Like as soon as you're out of the trade, you are 100% cash, liquid cash. I don't know if that answers your question, and I don't know what that username is. But like there's no holding period, there's no processing period. Like you are out of this trade, whatever you made there, it's in cash in your account. You can withdraw as many times as you want from NinjaTrader's portal. They give you 2 withdrawals per month for free. They're ACH withdrawals, just like you would Venmo or Cash App. It shows up in your bank account the very next day. You don't pay anything for the withdrawals. You don't pay anything for a deposit. Unless you do a wire, the deposits and withdrawals are free. And if you want to do a withdrawal more than 2 times a month, like if you wanted to withdraw every Friday, you could do that. You just pay, I think it's like $10 or $15 for every extra withdrawal over 2. Yep, okay. I'm glad that helped. All right, so the only 2 trades that we've had live are oil, which were green and green, 2 for 2 while I was sleeping overnight. This is NinjaTrader. If you want more information on the algorithm or mentorship or any of that, you just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. When is this girl coming back? It's literally 10 o'clock. Oh my gosh. I'm going to scream at her. Where's my iPad? Oh, it's in the other room. Sure thing. All right, so guaranteed green on this short too. So Fast, it's not green on the day, but it's not having a horrible day. And I'm in Canada where brokers are hard to come by. Yeah, I don't understand what is going on with Canada and why they're so like tight. Like, come on, loosen up a little bit, Canada. Top Gun said he's bad with computers and he's in Canada and he's making money. So if he can do it, anyone can do it. That is a good point. We're green $500 on this short for fast. This is going to put fast in the positive on the day. So that's a good thing. Is there a limit of trading only one contract? No, you can trade as many as you want. There's no limit. I don't even know who that is. Who's Justin Trados? Green, $550 on this short. Oh, I forgot. I think she also had an appointment at the dentist. All right, so we were out of that short. So now we're green $100 on the day. Not a lot, but yes. I kind of forgot she had a dentist appointment. Not me overreacting. He's the Prime Minister of Canada. Yeah. You can tell I follow none of that. Sure thing, Hammer. Is ticker EQ? EQ is not a ticker. ES or NQ? NQ is NASDAQ. NQ, not EQ. NQ, as in NASDAQ. ES is the E-mini for the S&P 500. All right, we're in this long. See how fast flips it real quick? Green, $150. It's not guaranteed green yet. It has to go to 200 to guarantee green. Yeah, sure thing. All right, guaranteed green on this long. Fast is turning around. It's going to be green probably around $300 now in the day, which is not bad for a half an hour. It's only been, 37 minutes. I am almost 8K in profit on Apex funding. No red days yet. So proud of you. All right, so we're green 250 on fast now. What's today, Thursday? Maybe like a Monday, Thursday kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what happened here? We didn't get this? Oh, we got it, and then it freaking, look at this. This was a perfect long. Oh, you know what I just noticed? Santa caught it. Santa caught that long, and now Santa is green, $305. Nice job, Santa. Santa is green. Santa is green. Attention to the group, to my people. My loves. Okay, hold on. I have to fix this formatting because if I don't, it will drive me crazy. Okay, much better. Randy said I have the patience of a saint. I actually think I'm pretty impatient and I could be much better. Fastest green, $130 on a long. Well, I'm not all the way over there. There we go. I think I could be much better. So both Fast and Santa and Oil are all green now. Because Fast and Santa were red a little while ago. Nice. You got a little bonus there, Jose. Okay, I moved over to your YouTube trying to chart over here, boss. Sounds good, but YouTube is delayed. But I know you guys don't care who are in my group because you guys already have everything running live anyway. Are these options? No, I do not trade options. Oh my god. Kyle, you've literally been in this stream for like the last hour. What is happening here? Okay, it's probably clear now. Fast is not a person. Fast is a strategy on my scalper algorithm. Santa's coming to town. Oh, who told me last night I need to think of a better name? Richard. Richard said, you need to think of a better name than Santa. And I said, fine, bring me something. Y'all need to bring me something if you want me to change it. Steve brought me, like, Sniper. This is NinjaTrader, Jeff. NinjaTrader. I'll show you right here. NinjaTrader. I'm trading futures on the futures market on NinjaTrader. This is specifically the NASDAQ, also known as NQ, and no nothing. Well, it's no. Yeah, you corrected it. Nah, Santa's perfect. Oh, Alex likes Santa. I know, I like Santa too. Call it Powell. Yeah, F that. I'm definitely not calling it Kenny. I'm not calling it Powell. So if you need more information, Pinoy, email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, my Instagram is linked in my bio. My YouTube is linked. My Instagram and my Twitter are exactly the same as my TikTok, which is boldbot1_. If anybody tries to DM you or follow you, it's not me. That's somebody impersonating me. So don't fall for that. I don't trade crypto. I don't trade stocks. I don't trade options. I only trade futures. I don't trade forex. I only trade futures on the futures market on NinjaTrader. I also use Tradeovate sometimes. Santa seems a weird name in the summertime, but still fun. I say you call it Sniper Banana. Santa Sniper? No, that's too much. It's supposed to be the Santa special, okay? You gotta name one banana. Alright, I think that's actually a good idea. I'm gonna name one banana at some point. Yeah, it's already explained literally everywhere on my YouTube. Rod. I go live every single day. I'm not going to go into detail of what futures are here. It's just too wordy. I have a video on my YouTube that lots of you need to check out. It's called, What Are Futures? What are futures? And it explains all of it in a 30-minute video. So listen, go to YouTube, type in BoldBot, 2 words. It'll look like this, BoldBot. You click on me, this is me, BoldBot, and then you go to videos, and then, oh, hold on, if I actually go, where's the one that's like popular videos, right here. How to get in and out, Tradeovate explained, what are futures, right here. What are futures? It's a 27-minute video. Yeah, the robot is for NinjaTrader, correct. This will be helpful. It explains everything. So please go watch it. Oh, whoa, we're at a $400 short on the Santa special. There we go. Santa's back up in the green. Fast is still in this. Oh, that was fast. Listen, I'm getting my confused now. I have to rename them on the label. All right, Santa's still in the short for $185. Guaranteed green. Banana. Yes. That's what you could say because I can't. You guys are awesome today. I love the energy. Call it smooth operator. It is pretty smooth. Smooth banana. I actually really like that. This is SB. Kenny, I know you were kidding. I'm not going to name anything, Kenny. I'm not going to name anything after a person. That would just be so narcissistic. Smooth banana. Alright, Santa took profit there. Oh, now I gotta call it smooth banana. Well, actually, a lot of these moves on the Santa look like a banana. This looks like a banana. This looks Can you tell I'm just entertaining myself here? Banana smoothie. Oh, look at this transition. The transition we've gone through. Banana split special. The Algo is $500 for the first 3 weeks as a paid trial, and then it's $1,000 every month after that. Lauren, you're on a roll. Yeah, I trade the NASDAQ the most. NQ is my most favorite ticker on the futures platform. Fast and Santa are... Oh, I'm going to have a hard time. It's a sign. Fine, you can make it, Alex. Oh, banana smoothie. Smooth banana. SB. The name has gone to so many different levels in this conversation. The banana special, but in July it's the summer Santa special. Banana nut muffin. Oh my gosh, I love banana nut bread. You guys, that is like the best ever. Aren't you glad I didn't name it banana? I hate you guys. Does the bot yields better profits during a bear or bull market? It doesn't matter. It works on all of them. Why would it? No. Oh, no, it does not work on MetaTrader, but I think you can connect your MetaTrader account, like whoever your broker is with Meta, like MT4, MT5. I've heard that you can connect your account to NinjaTrader and then use it that way. Santa is green 255 on the day. No nuts, yeah. Lamo, wait, SB is funny. Smooth banana. I know, I like smooth banana. Because John in TikTok said smooth operator. And then I kept the banana. I kind of like it. SB. And people are going to be like, what does SB stand for? It'll be very exclusive. Only we will know. Only if you joined at the live stream on January 5th, 2023. All right, we're green $330 on this short on the SB Smooth Banana. I used the banana bot. This was a great... What is the word when people get together and have ideas? Not brainstorming. I don't know. But this was a great session for that. Like, you guys all gave great suggestions, and we kind of merged a few together. So, it's not like only one person won. A lot of you. Yeah, a great collaboration. Exactly, Mo. That's what I was looking for. Now, every time I go and get a banana, so I'm going to yell out loud and give you the money. It's if I really sell banana from Gwen Stefani. Now you're showing your age, Kyle, because there's probably some, 20-year-olds in here, who's Gwen Stefani? Clever. A banana. I don't even know what I was trying to say. Santa's in this short. That's all we need to know. Santa is green 255 on the day, plus whatever happens here in this trade. It's going bananas. Yes. I'm in the mood for a banana. Listen. Just when you get your banana, make sure it's green and not brown. But for a banana nut bread, you actually have to have brown bananas. That makes it, taste better. I just can't eat them. They're just too soft. Maybe it's the texture that bothers me. Oh my gosh, I'm 90s. I still have a hard time spelling February and January. I'm not sure why. I always seem to miss, an R. February. Jen, I don't really know what that was about. You will be a millionaire, ? I'm not sure what that means. Carter puts them in the freezer before he makes banana nut bread. Oh my gosh. Now I really want banana nut bread. You know who? It's not great, but Starbucks has a banana nut loaf or bread or whatever, piece of banana nut bread. And if they warm it up, it's pretty good. But homemade is like the best. You can't beat that. All right, we're still in this short. Green, $300. Should I be checking something? Nice. David reposted he made $1,100 so far today, and he just came back to the group. He's someone that was in my group not too long ago, and then he's been with me since the beginning. Like, he was in the group in 2020. I love to see people come back and just kill it. So, nice job, David. Paper chaser. Now I want banana bread from Bob Evans. Oh, does Bob Evans have good banana bread? Banana nut bread? Put me on. I think Lauren has some secret sauce in her tea this morning. Very entertaining. This is how our live streams used to be. If people don't say things that get on my nerves, then we could just have a good time. In 2020, we used to do a live stream at night and a live stream at the open. And the live stream at the open was like serious and focused on trading because we were only manually trading at that time. All right, Santa, well, Smooth Banana, SB is green, $330. But at night when we would get on, we would have the funniest live streams. Like, people would just randomly post pictures in the group of like the weirdest things, and we would all then just have a conversation about it. And it was so much fun. So it's kind of like that. Do you know there are bats? I think I don't know. It's in like South America somewhere. I don't think it's Mexico. But they're like these bats that hang from trees that are like the size of humans. And I can't get the image out of my head, but that's what one of my members had posted back in 2020. And we had like a whole conversation about it. And it was so creepy. No joke. It would like hang from a regular tree like on a sidewalk. And its head would almost like touch the ground. Jose. It was like a small adult. No joke. Now I'm gonna Google it and show you guys. It's creepy. It's really creepy. Well, hello, new here. Welcome. Let's see. And I couldn't get that image out of my head. Human-size bats in South America. I think it's South America. They're huge. Oh my god. Here you go. Oh, this is Peru. Is this gonna like get me banned? Look at this. I think this is a real thing. Literally huge. Hanging from this roof. That is somebody's house in the background. Do you guys see this? Does that freak you out? It freaks me out. I've had that image like in my head for a very long time. They're huge. Literally ginormous. In Peru. Could you imagine? Flying foxes? Oh my gosh. Could you imagine walking down the street? Oh my gosh, we're in a $500 trade on the fast here. Flying foxes. That is crazy. Now I'm going to have to get everyone to stop saying Santa now that we changed it. That's a picture of my mother-in-law sleeping. At least the ones in New Zealand are called flying foxes. That is crazy. This is NinjaTrader. Do they attack people? Listen, Listen, I didn't do research after somebody in my group posted the picture. Yeah, feel free to email me. My admin will respond right away and give you some information that will be helpful. So we're in a long, both fast and it's gonna be so hard to stop saying Santa. And smooth banana are in a long. Y'all are crazy. All right, it's 10:25. Soon I'm gonna get off here. I gotta figure out if I can get a massage today. That is so funny. Jose, you need to stop spamming the chat and just go get the mentorship. Because oil made you like $600 this morning, right? $300 yesterday, $400 yesterday. That's $1,000 just in oil yesterday and today. Where to find real time chart? I'm not sure what that means, Jen. You need to pay for market data to have a chart with real active candles and times. Thanks, Sean. Have a good day. I'll talk to you later. We're going to wrap up this last trade of Santa, which is green $80, and then I'm going to be done. And then I got to figure out my day. You still have to pay King on TradingView. Well, it's only like $4 a month or something. Green, $200. This is a guaranteed green trade on Santa, also known as SB. I'm going to have to change the name of this, so I stop saying Santa. The smooth banana. Plus, I really like the minions and the little girls, like, or all the minions are obsessed with bananas. What's happening? We are making money. That's what's happening. And we're talking about bananas and bats. So, if you like those things, feel free to stick around. Arrested Development had a Bluth banana stand. That's my vote. I don't even know what that means, though. What is a Bluth? $14 a month. Okay. King, you know so much more than me. Green, $400 on this. It's not a pair, but this is the NASDAQ. So you would know this as the NASDAQ 100. But I don't trade forex. This is futures. I only trade futures, and it's NQ on the futures market. If you want more info, it's fully automated. My algorithm is trading for me. It gets me in the trades. It gets me out of the trades. It moves my stop loss. This is my stop loss that it moved on its own into the green. There's always money in the banana stand. What is that from? Is that from a movie? It is crazy to watch these types of things and realize it's actually real. I need to get into this. Yeah, for sure. And you can use a funded account. If you don't have liquid cash just, at your disposal, you can use a funded account. Apex, Lilu. What's the yikes, Mike? The Bluth? Or the O? Or are you yikesing the, Yeah, I know Arrested Development was a TV show, but what is a Bluth banana stand? What is Bluth? I think that's the part that's throwing me off. Oh, that's cool. You coded it. Yes. Well, I have a developer on payroll, but I created the idea, and then I tell him what I want. There's always money in the banana stand. Oh, that's what Panda on TikTok just said too. Okay, I get it now. Does the bot pass the funded account challenges? Yes. And then you can still use it while you have a funded account. Like some people saw on Apex that it says funded account, you can't use, algorithm with a funded account. But that's not true because I have several members that have passed and they use funded accounts and they're still using funded accounts. So maybe it has something to do with some other weird AI integration, but mine is not like that. So like maybe they mean like one of those companies that's like a third party company kind of thing. I don't know. Yeah, I get that, Gemma. Do what is good for you. Don't do things because other people are doing them. If, if your money's tight and you need to save it or just keep it in your, bank account, then you do that. I totally get it. That's their last name. Oh. Okay, got it now. Yeah, it's definitely not funny when you have to explain it. There's always money. So we should just start the stream every day saying there's always money in the banana stand? Is that what we should do? Hearing funded account sounds like I'd end in debt fast. No, like a funded account. So I think people get scared about funded accounts. It means you have no obligation to the actual money in the account, but you have to remain conservative because if your funded account, which is essentially like fake money, if it loses too much, then you are out of the funded account. So you have to pass a evaluation, and once you do that, they give you a funded account. But you're not responsible for any of the money in the funded account. You pay monthly while you're doing the evaluation. So say you pay $150, they let you take the evaluation. If you pass the evaluation over 7 trading days, then they will give you a fully funded cash account. And then from there, as long as you still continue to do well, you can cash out the money that you've made, 90% of it, every 2 weeks. Yes, you keep 90% of the money, and they keep 10% of it. Nice job, Dorito. Milan. I could tell from that little doggy picture. Yes. Okay, so we're going to start the stream off every day and say, wait, what is it? Let's make money in the banana stand. Money. Hold on, I got to scroll off. There's always money in the banana stand. All right. Oh, I said I was getting off, right? Okay, we're green $465 on Santa. It took a lot of trades today. More than normal. It took 15. Well, I guess that's not that many. It took 15 trades. It's green $465 on the day. This is with one contract. So 60% win rate. That's pretty good. Again, the biggest loss is $200. The average win was $177, which is a little tighter, but the largest win was $590. So green on the day. It's still going to continue to run for a bit, so we'll keep an eye on that. 15 trades, you pay $5 per trade in fees, so you want to keep that in mind. But yeah, if you took 2 minis, you'd be at 900. Yesterday, Santa made... Oh, I can't keep calling it Santa. Made $1,200, and on Monday it made $1,000. So far this week, $465. I'll update this later. $2,700 on the week with one contract. So this is not an app. This is a desktop platform. It is NinjaTrader. If you want more information, you can just email me. I'll send you an informational email. My email is boldbotllc@gmail.com. I go live every day from about 9:15 to 10:30, so I'm going to head out here. But if you want to check me out, my YouTube is boldbot, 2 words. You can go back and watch all of my live streams. I record every single one of them in real time. And Santa Banana. Actually, I like that. Santa Banana sounds so cute. Oh, now I'm going to want to call it Santa Banana. Maybe we should, because it's keeping the Santa that it's so hard for me to say, but then the banana is added. Might be Santa Banana. I was watching your video. Is this your full-time gig? If I go all in, can I quit my job? No, absolutely not. I'm not sure why everybody wants to quit their job. I know it's not fun to work for someone, but we all have to do it. This is my full-time gig because I have a business and I trade. But before I had my business, I was trading while working. So Santa Banana, I like that because it rhymes. And we're keeping the origination. I changed the... yes, this is on the NASDAQ. All right, I'm going to head out. This is Fast. Fast is green $455 too. So Fast and Santa ran pretty close together today. But we run it on oil and on gold and on the S&P 500. We run it on a bunch of products. But my favorite product is the NASDAQ. Remember, oil is 2 for 2 today for $600. So this was the first trade. This was the second trade, $600 when we woke up today for oil. So that information Patrick is given in the group, but typically just, when the market reopens. Because within the coding system, it has the times that it can trade. So you can turn on the algorithm at 6 p.m. and it won't trade until it's supposed to. So if you have it set to trade at 9 a.m., even though you turn it on at 6 p.m., it will just sit there turned on until 9 a.m. when it can look for a trade. We don't make money every day, but we make money most days. We definitely have some red days. And we definitely have some red trades. When last week your bot lost money? So it lost money on Friday of last week. Every other day was green. Yep, every other day was green. Oh, no, Tuesday, the day after the Christmas holiday, it was also red. Tuesday and Friday was red. Wednesday, Thursday was green last week. But we didn't trade live at all last week because that makes no sense. Retail traders take off typically the last 2 weeks of the year. So the week before Christmas and then the week from Christmas to New Year's. We traded the week before Christmas because the volume was still there. But we did not trade last week live at all because that's just silly. So, all right. I am going to get off of here. Santa Banana is green 465 still. So we'll keep an eye on that. And I'll be back tomorrow taking my turtle and my goldfish for a walk and a banana smoothie. Okay, bye. See you tomorrow. Make sure you follow, like, subscribe, thumbs up. Bye-bye. Okay, bye, YouTube.